How's it going? Woo! We're back.
We're so excited. You're so excited. We're almost done. We're going to miss you.
Oh, yeah. We're so excited. Congratulations. You've made it this far. Like, seriously, you've been doing amazing to get to this point. So in the last video, we talked about the roadmap to success a little bit. And so we're going to talk about a little bit of teasing. So this is our advanced training course that we're going to go into. So it's 7 levels of training, advanced things to move you to the next level, to the next level, to the next level with your sales, with this sales journey that you're on, right? We want you to be making, thousands of dollars, a month with all of this training.
Is that what you want to do? Do you want to make money selling jewelry? Yeah.
You want to be making as much money as you can with these sales, right?
So remember, we have taught you. You went live. You just went live yesterday. And post your album, your recap album, or post albums of other pictures. Live, post your album. Invoice your people. And then when they pay, ship it out. Get it shipped out. Don't forget, though, you got to reorder because you're going to go live again tomorrow or the next day. You got to have some jewelry coming in. So get on that, get in the back office and reorder. Build your inventory up. We want you to have 100, 200 pieces so you have a variety for people to buy. If they saw today, they have to have new stuff to see tomorrow. We want you to do that. So
don't kill the golden goose. Don't kill the golden goose. You got to build it.
Yes.
So this is the first level. Our first level is you just have barely done it. You've gone through the 8 levels, the 8 steps, the 8 days of this step-by-step training program. That's level 1 of the roadmap to success. Level 2 is we're just going into advanced techniques of this 8 days. So we're going to go into going live techniques, different things of what you should be doing when you're on live. We're going to go into different posting techniques like boomerangs and 3D level and 3D pictures, right?
And videos. Videos are really good. I mean, if you have if you see a picture there, oh, look at this cute Love Life bracelet. Look at this cute earring. But if you have this earring on and say, look at this, it's going to catch the people's eye. Videos are really good.
Yeah, we're going to go into different organizing your jewelry techniques because obviously we want to keep you organized. You're going to have, as you're growing your inventory, you got to make sure it's all organized. We're going to go into like Facebook techniques. So we're going to have a lot of different things that we're going to go into and any type of advanced training with this last 8 days.
We want to teach you to build your algorithms on your Facebook page. Engagement posts. That's a post that you put on there where people comment. Get them to start commenting. That grows your algorithms. We want to get you to the point where you are going live 5 times a week. Is that scary? Consistency. What I say, go live once a week. If you're going to only go live once a week this week, once a week, but do it every Monday. Consistency is the key. Monday. People need to find you. Monday and Wednesday. But we want you to get to the point where you're going Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, at least 5 times a week. 5 times a week. And then we want to get you to where you're going live and posting an album. Go live, post an album, and do 2 albums. Do a recap album and another album. Live, flash sell, album. We want you to get to where you're selling 3 times a day, 5 days a week. Can you do that?
We'll get you there. And again, it's just a flow. If you're not quite there yet, stay on the level that you're at. If you're barely doing 1 live a week and a few posts, that's okay. It's totally fine.
Be consistent.
Be consistent. Huge importance. Remember, just like the Walmart example I talked about in the last video. How do you expect Walmart to make millions and millions of dollars if they're only open 1 day a week, right? So we're wanting you to slowly build to the point where you're live 5 days a week. That way you can make more money, and continue to grow that. The last few levels that we're going to go into is texting and notifications. We've got a really cool software system that we use called ManyChat, and that'll help notify, and even it's a chat bot to help automate some of your system. We want you to make sure that you're using your time efficiently to have some automated systems.
We want your customers to be notified with a text message, hey, Robin's going live, check in right now, so they'll come and buy from you.
Right, because Facebook, with the algorithm, not all of your friends always get notified all the time.
Right.
That's why the texting, you want a texting system to be able to get there. And again, we're going to be talking through all of these different techniques.
We're going to teach you this stuff.
Yep. And the next level is getting into these systems called Comment Sold and even possibly having a Shopify store and Buy It Live. It's some of these things that help automate your system. So what it is it's a software system that instead of you having to watch your comments and do all this card system that you've had to do on your first level, It automates all of this by yourself. With this system. It is so cool. Super easy, automated, and it does everything for you.
Awesome.
It totally changed our business from having to work. We had one person working hours of watching comments to like not even have to watching them anymore.
That's right. It just automatically claims all those comments. And what about Facebook ads?
Oh yeah, so we're going to get into a little bit of Facebook ads, helping to grow growing your customers. And another really cool thing is email campaigns. We're going to be getting into that, how to really capitalize on the people that are, your customers and everything.
Grow your customer base. That's what we want to do. But that's going to come. It's not
Right.
today. But so just remember consistency, go live, reorder,
Grow that inventory.
love your customers. Just
your
love
life.
them and have fun.
Seriously, this is a fun game. We're all having fun, making money all together. It's going to be really fun. Huh?
We're so proud of you. Remember to always love your life. Love your life.
Love your life.